Badminton, a sport initially called Puna, was invented in India, which then was brought to Britain in 1870 by the Duke of Beaufort and the British Army stationed in India and renamed the sport badminton. The sport is relatively played indoors on a small court, and determining if you play singles or doubles will further determine the court size. Badminton involves retaining knowledge through practice and repetition. Some examples would be positions on the court and basic movements like serving, clears, and smashes. It's also essential for partners to communicate with one another and adapt to one another's playing styles. The biomechanics of the sport involves strength, power, balance, and agility. Individuals can see these four aspects through the pairs: power stroke, forehand, overhead jump smash, overhead backhand strokes, and forehand serve. Badminton physiology includes aerobic energy to maintain a sufficient supply of oxygen. Anaerobic energy involves glucose to supply the physical energy needs due to the explosive maximal muscle strength. The sport relies on calm nerves due to having better control over the match. If a player has calm nerves, they would have access to a clear mind and be the conductor of the game's tempo, allowing them to take necessary risks. Lastly, the sport is predominantly played by Asian countries. China has been able to interpret this game into a dedicated group of men and women to compete internationally at highest levels, such as international and regional levels.